Hey everybody, it's Grant, and today we are going to be talking about exactly what you want to hear about. One of the most crazy and popular topics of all. The biggest flex of every young person when they are on the playground or at the best friend sleepover, Pokemon. And we're going to talk about the value of all these cards because they are going up left and right because of people like Logan Paul and Steve Aoki. So, real quick, I'm going to put these down because this is crazy. So as you can see, I've got a freaking awesome collection of vintage Pokemon cards, whether I have the individual cards right here, all the way to vintage Rocket boxes, which I absolutely love. Rocket is my absolute favorite series, followed by Gym Challenge. So after those two, of course, I still love base set, don't get me wrong, but I really enjoy how you can get beautiful cards out of both of these boxes. That's Charizard, you can get a Dark Blastoise, you can get all kinds of different cards out of those two boxes, which makes it so much more fun. And I'm not gonna only talk about the older stuff. We're also gonna talk about some of the crazy stuff that's gonna be hot in the future. Like for instance, Champion's Path and Hidden Fates. And then of course we also have evolutions that you can never sleep on evolutions because that is the 2016 reprint. And we have the 25th year of Pokemon coming out. And I can't wait to see what they do. If you're listening from Pokemon, please let's do a reprint. All right, and we're gonna go over how prices have skyrocketed, whether you're buying things on eBay and just in the everyday swap in the parking lot, right? So here's the thing. We're going to go ahead and open some of these real quick. These are some eBay cards that I've picked up as the market has skyrocketed. It's a graded card. I'm going to put that down though. I don't want to miss anything in the box. All right, so we got a graded card that I picked up on the interstate. We get on the internet. And I don't get to see it yet, but is it anything good? That would be cool if it was a first edition, you know, Venusaur or something cool. I don't even know. I've got a few. So if you enjoy things like this, please consider hitting that subscribe button and giving us a subscribe, as well as the notification bell, because we have a ton of crazy things coming for you. And a spoiler alert, there's going to be a very, very famous person doing an unboxing with me pretty soon. So we're pretty pumped about that. I don't want to crack these boxes, but I think you'll think it's very much well worth it. All right, so we are gonna turn this around and see what we got. Hey, we got a Ninetales, right? So it is a PSA 8 Ninetales, which I am extremely happy about. This is a Shadowless Ninetales, so just so you see, there is no shadow. You know, you got a near mint 8, which is nice. So I've been getting these for really good deals and pretty cool. All right, so let's get into the main stuff that has been crazy, skyrocketing as far as the price. And let's get into the biggest and craziest boom in the Pokemon world since Pokemon Go. Okay, so we are talking about the sealed boxes from my childhood. We're talking 1999, 1995, and a little later when it comes to the Neo set and all the other ones that are freaking going crazy. So when you look at just a box like this, these boxes were selling for 20 and 50 bucks literally 6 months ago. Now you're able to buy these for $300 and $400. Now you're still going to get a base set starter deck, and those are still bringing in good money. But now these can go as high as $300 to $500 per box, and there's only one holographic guaranteed in this card, in this pack. And then of course you got a bunch of energies in the rest of it, as well as a bunch of base common cards. When you take this into account with Steve Aoki's box breaking and Logan Paul's huge epic Shadowless first edition base set box break, you've got things like jungle packs, you've got things like fossil packs. So when these right here, these are unweighable. You can buy this pack and still get a holographic card and not worry about somebody that opened a box, weighed the packs, and sold the heavy packs or opened the heavy packs and then ended up selling the other ones and pretending they weren't weighed. Because if you have a pack, like for instance this one, I gave $100 for this pack, and the reason was because it's probably been weighed. Whether the person selling it to me did or the person that sold it to him did, somebody's weighed this pack. It just doesn't make sense when scales are so readily available. So right now, these are going from anywhere, a base fossil pack, $350, right? Or you can get good deals if you just are willing to work with them. Now these, I paid probably $350 or so per, and I'm happy with that because this is going to be heck of fun to keep in the collection because of the glue they used, they're unweighable. So there's no way to be able to get that 1 gram difference for these. So those are extremely collectible. Now let's talk about the obvious huge stuff. Like right now, when it comes to a rocket box, this beautiful 1999 rocket box, just look how awesome this box is. Look at that seal. Look at the Wizards of the Coast label. I mean, this box is absolutely mint. Now, there might be a little spot here. You got a little ding here, but I mean, this box is all day long one of the most pristine rocket boxes I've ever seen. This box, the person I actually bought this box for, I can't wait till you see this video because I bought this box for quite a bit of money. I still feel like I got an okay deal with the latest boom, and yet he paid a fraction of the price. And he bought them 7 years ago, right? And then when you look at this, but like literally a few months ago, you were gonna be able to buy these for a couple grand, maybe 5,000. And then now I am seeing non-first edition rocket boxes, fossil boxes, jungle boxes, challenge and gym challenge boxes going for literally $10,000 to $15,000 all day long. It has been an awesome thing to watch. If you are an avid collector, things have been going crazy, and Steve Aoki is breaking a box just today, and that is going to even greaten the hype. I don't know if that's a word, but at this point, he's going to make these hypes even bigger. And I'm going to just show you some of the cool collection pieces that I have that you'll see us unboxing on this channel. Alakazam, first edition. Look at that. Now, these aren't always in the best condition, but I'm just happy to have these. First edition Shadowless Blastoise, first edition Shadowless Venusaur, and he's not first edition, but boy, that would be cool. Maybe one day. But a Shadowless Charizard. We have a few Shadowless Charizards in the collection, which are just freaking awesome. I can't wait to get the Shadowless Charizard graded. I think he's going to come back really high, and I'm just really pumped about it. And you never know. Make sure you hit that notification bell because we could have a Shadowless Charizard in one of these unboxings or other stuff that we have found in collections as we've gone. So let's talk about some of the other ones here. So I've got an Evolutions Elite Trainer box back there, and then that box right here, I don't know if you can see that in the frame, but that is 6 boxes of Evolutions. I don't have an Evolutions box to hold up right here because I don't have any outside of the actual cardboard box they get shipped in. The reason I want to keep it intact because those boxes sell for $90 if you can get a good deal plus tax from any card shop back in 2016. You couldn't give them away in 2016, and that's when Pokemon Go was at its highest. Here's the thing. Right now, that box on the internet can go as high as $3,500. An individual box on Evolutions, which is just the reprint of base set, from 2016 is going for $400 to $500 a box. And all thanks to Logan Paul, the king of podcasts, where he unboxed that $200,000 box. And you might go, whoa, Grant, he unboxed a $200,000 box. He made $150,000 doing it because he ended up unboxing it, selling it, all the individual packs for $11,000, and there's 36 packs. You do the math, what a genius. So, some things to look out for, and we're going to go ahead and open these up. And now that we've covered a few things that have just crazy price jumped, and crazy people like me are buying them, and this is freaking fun. I didn't have the insight and the knowledge to buy these boxes whenever I was 12 and 8, however old I was. But now that I'm 31, I'm paying the price. But hey, look, I'm getting smarter. So here's the thing. These Hidden Fate 10s, okay, you can't really find the Elite Trainer boxes for Hidden Fates. There is another reprint coming, just so you know, if you want to get in on the Pokemon craze. And look, in the event that the Pokemon craze dies back down, guess what? One of the most collectible and iconic series, if not the iconic series. It's worth so many billions, it might go to trillions. It's crazy how Pokemon has lasted the test of time. These Hidden Fate 10s go in the stores for $19.99. They are selling online for as high as $50. I don't suggest you pay that price, but That's what the markup is, and these are brand new. You can still buy these at your local Target. Right here, Champion's Path. So look at this beautiful Champion's Path box right here. So this Champion's Path box right here sells for $50 in your local Targets or Walmarts. They're going online all day for $100 right now. So these have already double plus in value, and they are brand new where you can still buy them on the shelves. I'm just saying, it would be smart if you put 10 or 15 of these away in your closet. Make sure you keep them sealed, put them in some bubble wrap, and go find that buried treasure in 20 years from now. So I've been excited about this one because they have packaged it right and shipped it really nicely for me. Hopefully it's got cardboard on both sides of it just to keep it safe. It's so crazy that somebody will, you know, sell you a 20-year-old card and ship it in an envelope. That's happened. It's very sad. And look, here's the thing. These are super fun to open, but I'm not gonna lie. I have offered, I don't want to break the seals on these boxes, but I'm telling you, we hit 100,000 subscribers or something like that. I'm willing to do something crazy. Not 20. These boxes cost a lot. I mean, I'm a great bargainer, but these boxes cost a lot. And you're actually going to see those videos, and I think you're going to really enjoy them. But I did offer it to a very special and good friend of mine. And if he agrees, which he may already have had, agreed. He already agreed. I'm not, you know, I can't keep a secret from you guys. You guys are too special to me. But he has agreed that we will open one of these boxes on his channel, and I'm really excited about showing you all that. So, all right, let me see if I can. All right, this one's turned around. So, wait, which side? Yeah, okay. I didn't see it. So this one, make sure there's no special surprises. Nope, didn't give me anything cool. PSA right here, and I don't know what it is, but let's see. Hey! So this is our PSA Gem Mint 10 Charizard that we picked up. Look at that beautiful, beautiful card. The centering is absolutely beautiful. Aside from that one spot, the card is in absolute perfect condition. Check that craziness out. So what a beautiful card to put in your collection. And they don't do first editions anymore ever since Wizard of the Coast. But this can turn into this near in the future, because this card right here, it's so crazy. It's a brand new card. We got a pack pull right here. I mean, we have pulled a ton of cards, and they are very, very rare. We have pulled in Champion's Path, we've pulled at least 150, 200 packs. In Hidden Fates, we are over 300 packs and still have not pulled a GX Shiny Charizard. That is the most elusive, majestic creature I can ever pull. But this card right now, brand new, just off the print, and in mint, ooh, I'm rhyming, right? Here's the thing, this card right now is $1,200, maybe even more. It's crazy how the value is skyrocketed. So, put this off right there, and we'll open this last one and see. Hopefully we did good, $3.95 right there. Yeah, no, that's a pretty good deal, right? No, that's not what we paid. So, see what this last one was, and hopefully you're enjoying these videos. Oh, well, that's packaged. Really excited about this too. Hey, first edition Nidoking. So check this one out. Once again, these were not bought because of condition, but I'm gonna pull this one out, show you the condition on it. Hopefully it's okay. If it's gradable, that's even better, but I can definitely see a few issues right here from just inside the sleeve. So here we go, first time me seeing this card. Actually, this card's really not that bad. Okay. All right, so we've definitely got a little ding, but it might not even count right there. You still have those pesky scratches, those little bitty nicks, but there's not many. There's like 6 or 7 very small nicks in this card. The corners have a little ding here and there. There's a bend right here. That sucks. That's a crease. A crease right here. But for the most part, even though I'm buying these just to, definitely a ton of whitening around the card right there. But these cards, if done correctly, and I mean, if this was graded, it's probably a PSA 6. Maybe better, probably worse. But still a first edition, and that looks like a thick stamp to the best of my knowledge. I'm not sure. Can't really zoom in really good on that. But beautiful card. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to put that in a penny sleeve so I don't mess it up. All right, I'm going to get this card in a top loader because I do actually really like the quality of it. I need to get a sticker system going to where I know which ones are really nice and which one aren't as nice. But yeah, so there you have it. I mean, we've got a ton of really cool cards. We got to add another card to our first edition collection, and it's not a first edition Charizard, but look how cool it is. Just cover that up, right? So you got our first edition Venusaur, our first edition Alakazam, Blastoise, and now we got a first edition Nidoking, and we have some other ones coming. We got our beautiful future first edition, even though they don't do that anymore, Charizard that's going to be worth the $250,000. Maybe, but it's a Gem Mint 10, and those are always going to be rare because of the quality. And then we've got all these beautiful, amazing boxes. I'm always going to gravitate towards the Team Rocket box, one of my absolute favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because we ran out of time, didn't get to open the new bangers, Hidden Fates and Champion's Path, but hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to power up that like button, hit that subscribe button, and notification bell because we're trying to catch all the likes that we possibly can. Like that? See what we did there? Also, comment anything you'd like to see in future videos, anything you liked out of this video. Comment the name of the person that you think is going to help me open this box. I'd love to see who you think it is. And make sure that you have a fantastic afternoon. Remember, I believe in you, and no matter what, you can do anything that you set your mind to, and never let anyone tell you any different. Like invest in Pokemon cards. Hope you have a fantastic afternoon, and I will see you on the next one.